In this session, we are going to see the series. What are the series attribute? Earlier, we have already speak about the attributes and the functions. We have do all these things. We have made a series from the list. We have made a series from the dictionary as well. Now there are so many attribute that we are going to use while doing the data analysis part in the pandas, right? The first attribute is size. So what are the importance of size? Let me give you an example. Let's suppose this marks dot series we have already output here. You have seen this series consists of 3 items: English, math and science, and its value is 97, 98, 87 and 96. If I call size attribute, what it give? It give 3. What does it mean? It means this marks dot marks series has 3 element. It means the size of this series is 3. It means there are 3 element in this series. So in many ways, when you are going to deal with the real life data set, you will understand how these attributes are going to help you. The next attribute is D type. What does it mean? Let me show you the same series, and if I put D type and we run the cell, okay, I think something is missing. D type, okay, sorry. Oh, it gives the data type of all the element that is present inside the series. Here also you can see the D type is integer 64. So we have a attribute D type which give you the information of a data type of the element. The next one is name. If you put call the name and if you run the cell, it is marks of Subham. Here as well you can see the name attribute, name key, which has the value of marks of Subham. So there are so many. The next is unique. Now is unique is very important. Right now let me give you an example. Let's suppose if I call is unique, it give true. What does it mean? It means in this series marks underscore series, in this series all the element are unique. It means 98, 87, 96, there is no duplicate of the element, so it gives true. But I can show you one another example. Like let's suppose if you have a number and it is something like 54, 65, 54, 87, okay, and I want to convert this list into series. Okay, now it is series. If I ask, if I call the same things is unique on that is unique on this series, oh sorry, I think something I misspelled. Okay, I need to store this in some variable because it show me the list has no attribute is unique. Now here number is a list. We are converting this number list into a series, but we are not storing in one of the variable. If I do the same thing, okay, now it is clear. And if I call this is unique function, is unique attribute on this number, you will see a false. Why false? Because here you can see a 54 is repetitive, means not all the element of this series is unique. Okay, I think you got it, right? Let's suppose if you want to know what are the index of this series, let's suppose in this series what are the index. So simply you call the index attribute, and if you hit, there are indexes English, math and science. You can see here English, math, science. Okay, so you will understand there are so many attribute, but we are going to speak about the most important that you are regularly using in this data science journey. Let's suppose if I want to know the value of all this series, so we simply put values. Okay, and if you hit, if you give it 98, 87, 96, 98, 87, 96. I hope you clear. And these are the basic and very important attribute, that is size, data type, name is unique, and the index value. There are many more, but these are very important, so I speak about this. So in the next lecture we are going to see all this uploading or creating a CSV file, how we create a CSV file or how we import a CSV file. Okay, so be with me. In the next lecture we will see everything related to this. Thank you so much.